Good. Okay, stop your feet for the second jump. Yep, jump. Out, out. Do it again. Palm back. Palm back. Good. Jump, arm out, arm out, arm out. Jump, arm back. So, what's up with you? So, let's walk it so you have an idea. So this is the jump. Arm stays out. Arm comes down. The moment the dog hits the nose hits the upright, then it's tunnel. And all of you guys are saying tunnel too late. You've got to say the moment that we are in the jump. Even in the air. Say tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. There you go. Tunnel. There you go. Turn it. Rocky, Rocky, come here. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Come on, come on. So, this is the arm that sends. Rocky, Rocky, rock, go. Woo! That was a good one. A freebie. So you ready? Go. Go, 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 go. Now I'm steaming it. Woo! I got it back. I got it back. Yes, I did. Are you ready? Go. There you go. And this one, yeah, turns him. Yeah, turns him and pulls him back to you. So start over. That was lovely, by the way. Okay, come on, Rocky. Come on, Rocky. Come here, Rocky. Come on, Bob. Rocky. Come on. Let's go. Good boy, Finnegan.
Yeah.
Very good. Go out that arm, out. Okay, start over, Carmen. Just be relaxed. He's fine. He's fine. Be relaxed. Rocky, come here. Rocky, clap your hands. Come on. Rocky. Good. You work. Good. Good. Immediately stand up and play. Let's go. Come here. Rocky, you did. Let's go. Go. Arm out. Arm out. Jump. Jump. Tunnel. Tunnel. Good. Set. First the arm. Yes, that was him. Oh! The right arm. Yay! That's right. All right, finish it. Isn't that too funny how we are? I know. There you go. Okay, just go and run. Run. Don't make it too slow. Steady. Okay, so remember you need to slow down your feet right